help you? Why are you guys recording? ¿Por qué están grabando? ¿Por qué están grabando? Why are you guys recording? You're gonna answer? Are you gonna answer? Yes or no?
Salah.
Huh?
Salah. Salah.
I can't understand you.
Salah. Salamihala. Salamihala. Salah.
I can't understand you.
01 Tenzin-Hua.
Huh?
01 Tenzin-Hua.
What is that?
I'm not going to say it in Hua.
Can you say it in English?
01 Tenzin-Hua.
I'm gonna call the cops on you guys.
01 Tenzin-Hua.
Alright.
Salah. Salah. Salamihala.
I got it. There was something in them too? Something in them? You guys tell me what you guys see? Why are you guys recording? No? What do you guys need? What are you guys recording?
01 Tenzin-Hua.
Huh? What was that? You step down on your private property. Alright.
Here, move this way.
Hello guys. How you doing? How you guys doing? Me? You?
Guys, so this is Santa Ana Police Department. Right away they asked him, are they harassing you? Trying to insinuate that we're out here harassing them. So he could answer yes. Alright guys, so here we go. Our public servants actually doing civil justice and explaining the private and public policies for the company. 'Cause it's not a law. Their private property is not a law. When we trespass, that's breaking the law. Not claiming public property as private and then calling the police on it.
Hey, sir, I know you don't want to talk to me. That's fine. You don't have to. You are legally allowed to record. I explained to the owner that you can record as long as there's no interference with their private functions and work, and you don't interfere with their business. It is their private property, but I explained to them too that you're allowed to record.
Thank you, sir.
That's it.
We appreciate your professionalism
No
today.
worries, sir.
Thank
And
you
I
guys, man.
understand you have your rights, First Amendment rights. We're not here to
Infringe on that,
your
right?
rights.
Thank you,
We
man.
just want to let you know that. They were concerned. They're not used to this. I explained to them, hey, they can record. I don't know what you're doing. You don't have to explain it to me as long as they feel okay.
Do you mind if I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Did he say that we bothered
No,
him? Or?
not at all.
Oh.
Not at all. He's not used to this.
Yeah.
So he doesn't know what the intentions are, what the purpose, what the objective. Neither do I. But to be honest with you, as long as they're safe and you're not impeding on their rights, and they're not impeding on your rights.
Just as long as we're safe too, though, right?
Absolutely. That's
All
why
right. I
spoke to you.
thought it was just one-sided.
Not at all.
Oh,
Both
okay.
sides.
Cool, man.
No worries. So
Right on, guys.
they said we could stand by so the employees can leave. I said sure, we can stand by, but
Cool.
we'll talk to them. We'll talk to you, and we'll call it a day. We're
Yeah,
leaving,
man.
so
You guys have a
as the
good day.
employees leave,
Thank you.
we'll be out of your hair.
Excellent training officer, man.
No problem, sir.
You guys learned from the best right here, man.
All right, thank you, sir.
Appreciate you, man. Name and badge number real quick.
Lopez 3230.
Appreciate you, man.
No
You?
problem, sir.
Ralston 3637.
You guys have a fabulous rest of the day, man.
You too, guys.
Keep the street safe for us, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is that him?
That's him.
What happened?
That's the one. You're the one?
¿Cómo se llama el güey? Jesús García. García. Llorón.
Luis Garcia.
Luis el Llorón. Mejor te cambian el nombre a Lloroni.
Luis Chillón.
El Chillón. El que llama a la policía. Cop caller. We call
Nice.
we call them cop callers.
¿Qué pasó? Ay,
Ay, ay, ay.
ay, ay, ay.
Luis, Luis, Luis.
¿Qué pasó, primo?
¿Cómo le vas a llorar a Luis, verdad? Yeah. Yeah. Damn. Incarceration, huh? Damn, is that incarceration? False imprisonment right there. You can hold your employees after hours,
Hey,
man.
was that overtime you're paying them?
That definitely has to be overtime.
Hey, make sure you guys ask for overtime, alright?
OSHA will be asking questions.
He kept you past your time, guys.
Dang, how far it passed? Let's check.
Let's do it.
What time is it?
So why are you guys recording?
Damn, 2:51. They were off a long time ago.
Up with that.
Why are you guys recording?
I thought the police explained it to you.
You just violated labor laws, just to let you know, man. Have a good day. We don't want to talk to you.